Hey there, so today I'm going to show you how to track objects with the camera and how to keep the framing of the original camera angle, so you don't have to have everything center frame that you're tracking. Let's get straight into it. So obviously I have this coconut animation falling from the tree, and if we go to my camera view at the start, as you can see, it's just aiming up here, but it has some nice framing that we want. So let's try to figure out how to track the coconut. To do that, select your camera, add your object constraint, and that will be this tab right here. Object constraint properties, select track to, then you can select your eyedropper and select whatever you have your animated object as. It can be an object, an armature, a bone, it can be anything, and then all you have to do is hit play and it will track it. But the problem with this is now our framing for the camera is directly centered, and we wanted it to have it in the left third of the frame, so we have cinematography principles happening. So if we lower the influence, this was our original framing. And let's say we wanted to rotate a little bit more on the side, so we wanted it to be more, cinematic. And if we use this, it kind of ruins that. So to fix it, what I recommend is selecting your object that you're animating, that they go to the very start of your animation to frame 1, press Shift S, cursor to selected, and then Shift A, add yourself an empty plane axis, then grab them and move them a little bit to the side so that that is where you're focusing. And to check this out, select your camera, make your target object the plane, and then move the plane until you have the frame you want without moving it on the Z-axis, keeping it the same height. And then we can get the framing right there. So then simply select your plane, then select your animated object, Control P, object, and keep transform. What that will do is when you hit play, you will now track the empty all the way down, and it will stay in sync with your animated object. And it's really nice because you can keep the framing you want without having to deal with all the hassle. Yeah, that is how you use the track to constraint for your camera and track objects. Really simple, really easy. Hopefully that helped you. If you need any other tutorials on how to do camera stuff, let me know and I'll try to get around to making them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.